this board right at the angle where it goes flat. I put it in and it warped, it bent, it pulled up on both ends about half an inch, so I'm going to bust it out and replace it. So I've taken a screwdriver, you could use a chisel and a hammer, and punched holes in it. I'll just carefully take that old board out. I got that board out. It was a little bit of a tussle, but not too bad. Cut a new one and had a groove on the bottom side, and I cut that out because no way it'll fit in there at the angle, so just cut that out and put it in there like that, and just I marked where the rafters are at. I just nailed that with the nail gun. I got that new board nailed in place and it looks much better. It takes some work to do it, but the end result I think is well worth it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.